Welcome to my channel M Kormaka. Welcome to you all. Now the question is, if sec theta plus 1 by tan theta x, then find the value of sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. The see given equation is sec theta plus 1 by tan theta is equal to, and the expression uh, sec theta minus 1 by tan theta in equation sec theta plus 1 by tan theta, that is x. From this equation, using the trigonometric formulas, we have to find out either sec theta and tan theta. But to find the expression's value, we have to find both. Now, there is a formula related sec and tan is here drawing a line. Sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. See, sec theta plus 1. Put value of tan theta. See, here is tan square theta, that is equal to theta minus 1. There is similar thing, sec theta plus 1, here is sec square theta minus 1. Whenever it will be factorized, there will be sec theta plus 1. So, writing this plus 1 by over square theta minus 1. So, tan square theta is equal to, that is equal to right hand side as it is, or factorize denominator, a square minus b square formula, theta plus 1 minus 1 x, or sec theta plus 1 over sec theta plus 1 will be cancelled out, and remaining sec theta plus 1 under root. So, may write this way, that is equal to x. Now, to remove the under root sign, squaring both sides. So, that is where what is done here, squaring both sides. Okay. Here, we think sec theta is equal to a, 1 is equal to b. So, a plus b by a minus b. And here we can write by 1. So, using compound or dividend formula, if a by b is equal to c by d, then says that a plus b by, that is equal to plus d minus d. So, using this formula, I will write the plus 1 plus the minus 1 by the plus 1 minus sec theta, as before, minus plus 1 square plus 1 by 1. See, plus 1 minus 1 will get cancelled. Sec theta will get cancelled. Sec theta by 2. Finally, we may write sec theta, that is square plus 1 by 1. Now, tan square theta equal to square theta minus 1. Name it this equation 1. So, tan square theta is equal to x square plus 1 by 1 square minus 1, but using 1, or tan square, that is equal to, simplifying, x to 4 x square plus 1 whole square plus 2x square plus 1 minus, writing one time, so it may be x square minus 1 whole square to the power 4 minus 2x square plus 1, the denominator as it is, square minus 1 that of square, or tan square theta, that is, whenever both brackets will be open, x4 and x4 will get cancelled, 1 and 1 gets cancelled, 2x square minus minus plus 4x square by square minus 1 square, or squaring tan theta is equal to square root of 4 square by square minus that of square plus minus, or tan theta, that is equal to 2x by square minus. Here we should write taking positive sign. Now writing the given expression, what is to be found out? Given expression see the given expression, sec theta minus 1 by tan theta, theta minus 1 by 40 sec theta. We have found x square plus 1 by x square minus 1, x square plus 1 by square minus 1 by x by x square minus 1. The values of sec theta and tan theta. Values of theta and tan theta. So after simplification, x plus 1 minus x square, as here is minus, plus 1 by square minus writing by x by x square minus 1. So minus x square plus x square will get cancelled out. By x square minus 1 in x square minus 1 by 2 cancelled out. X square minus 1 x square minus 2 2. Our final answer is 1 by x. Hence the required value. Therefore sec theta minus 1 by tan theta, that is 1 by x. Thank you for watching. So far we have done, from the given equation we found the value of sec theta. But if we find the value of tan theta from the given equation, then maybe solved. So we will call that second method. Second method. The given equation sec theta plus 1 by tan theta is equal to a. Here we will use the formula sec theta in terms of tan theta. So here is C, sec square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. So it will be better to find before sec square theta. So sec theta plus 1, that is x tan theta, or sec theta is equal to x tan theta minus 1. Now to get sec square theta, squaring both sides, we are writing squaring both sides, we have left hand side x square theta, right hand side is equal to directly squaring, writing x square tan square theta minus x tan theta plus 1. Now reduce this, the quadratic of tan square theta. Before that, write this 1 plus square theta, that is square x tan theta plus 1. See, from both sides 1 and 1 cancel, or transposing these terms to the right, so 0, that is equal to tan square theta common, x square minus 1 minus 2x tan theta. Now writing right hand side expression to the left and then taking the common tan theta. So tan theta, that is equal to, here is x square minus 1, writing first tan theta taken out common, 2x, that is equal. 2. there are two factors in the left hand side. So either 1 0 or both 0. But here tan theta not is equal to 0, as the given equation tan theta exists in the denominator. As in the given equation tan theta exists, tan theta is in the denominator. So other expression must be 0. X square minus 1 tan theta minus 2x, that is equal to 0. Solving this, tan theta that is equal to 2x by x square minus 1. The value of sec theta. As per formula or according to formula, x square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Limit 2 is equal to what we will have, x square theta 1 plus x by x square minus 1 whole square, or that is equal to x4 minus x square plus 1 plus x square four x square x square minus 1, that of square, or simplifying the numerator will be x square theta that is equal to x square plus 1 by x square minus 1, that of square, or minus 1. Now sec theta minus 1 by tan theta. Sec theta is equal to, put the values, x square plus 1 by square minus 1 minus 1 2x by x square minus. Now simplify this, that is equal to square plus 1 minus x plus 1 by square minus 1 into x square minus 1 by 2. Here x square get cancelled out, x square minus 1 equal to by 2x to 1 by x. So in both cases answer is same, therefore theta minus 1 by tan theta 1 by x. Thank you for watching. If you are new to my channel M Karmakar, click on the subscribe button and turn all notification to get all latest videos. If you like this video, please click on the like button. If this video helps you learn something new, please share it with your friends.